Hello everyone, let's learn how to post story on Telegram. If you're a fan of social media stories, you can now share them on Telegram, too. Telegram rolled out its story feature in August 2023. The feature was initially introduced as a premium feature but is now available for all users. Read on to learn more about Telegram's story feature and how to use it. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let's open Telegram app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. First, you can see in the top of the screen how many are unreviewed story, and to see that story just slide down, on that way you can see story like on Instagram. Next step is to post story. You can do that by tapping on little plus icon on your picture. Your picture is always on first place, and when you click on that, Telegram will open a camera. You can take picture in this moment, and you can recording video, but to recording a video you need to swipe on video in the bottom of the screen. Also you can post picture from your gallery, by tapping on icon in bottom left corner of the screen, and choose a picture. Now when you finish this step you can edit picture. In first option on the lower left side, is to draw on your photo. You can set a color and you can set a type of pen you want. The second option is to add emoji. The basic Telegram emoji is cherries emoji with different faces. Next, respective third option is to add text on story. And the last option is to edit colors of your picture. Also you can set a time you want your story is viewed, but to set a different time you need to buy a premium app of Telegram, and when you finish this click on next button in bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can set who you wants to see your story. You have a 4 different option. You can set everyone, my contact, close friends, or you can select the contacts. And when you select what you want, click on blue button in the bottom of the screen where is written post story, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.